Alafia, friends and family, I am so excited to share with you a little bit more about our upcoming Divine Feminine panel that's going to be happening later this month at Hearth Wisdom Store. I have had a number of you reach out to me asking whether this event would be welcoming for people of all spiritual paths. And I want to assure you that yes, a full yes. The Divine Feminine rises across every tradition, every culture, every lineage. And so if you are feeling called to work or explore or seek out more wisdom and guidance from divine feminine energies, then this space belongs to you. I want to share a little bit more about what to expect from this session. One of the most powerful expressions of the divine feminine that we are going to be exploring together is the Iyami, the primordial mothers of Yoruba spirituality. These ancient forces embody supreme feminine power, creation, and ancestral wisdom. Known as the elders of the night, the Iyami maintain cosmic balance, they uphold justice, and they shape destiny. Their very name, Iyami, means my mother. So this tells you about the intimacy and the magnitude that they carry. They stand as the right-hand counsel to Olodumare, the supreme creator, and their wisdom reaches beyond time and space. And this is the year of the Iyami. We are so deeply honored to host a panel of wisdom keepers who carry these sacred teachings in their bodies, in their lineage, and in their lives. So I want to take a moment to do a short introduction and to let you know who's going to be in the room with us. Throughout the next week, we are going to be posting the biographies and backgrounds, achievements, and current projects that each one of the panelists are currently working on so that you can get to know them a little bit more. We are honored to welcome Her Royal Majesty, Oba Komolafe, a king in the true sense of the word. Oba is a spiritual teacher, visionary, and the founder of Global Love Frequency, a sacred movement devoted to love, healing, self-reconciliation, ancestral awareness, and conscious emotional transformation. We are also so grateful to receive Her Royal Majesty, Queen Hollins, who is an elder, queer, Black, Indigenous healer, cultural practitioner, and the founder and cultural director of the Earth Lodge Center of Transformation. I am also excited and honored that we will have several Iyanifa, who are the high priestesses and the sacred mothers of Ifa, joining us from around the globe. And we welcome my Baba, the renowned Awo Falokun, whose teachings have carried this tradition to communities across the Western world. Now, I highly encourage you to get a ticket for this event. It is a ticketed event and it's available both in person and virtually. So no matter where you're at, you can be a part of this moment. Also, if you're not able to attend with us live, I still recommend that you secure a reservation because we do plan to record this event for those who can't join us live because of work, life, circumstances, travel, etc. And this will be available as a playback. This is my family, and I'm so honored that their wisdom and their leadership will be available to us here in the local area and throughout the world. I'm going to link somewhere in this post where you can get tickets, and you can always go to our website, hearthwisdom.com, and secure your seat. I look forward to seeing you there. Ashe.